Good morning students. Today we are going to discussing some important points from the chapter Atoms and Molecules. Let's start.
Now we are studying the chapter Atoms and Molecules. Today we are going to discuss some important notes for exam. Let's start. The first important note from this chapter, law of conservation of mass. What is law of conservation of mass? According to this law, mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. It's very important to study. In a chemical reaction, this law can be understood in following way. During a chemical reaction, total mass of a reactant will be equal to total mass of a product. In a chemical reaction, the total mass of the reactants will be equal to total mass of the product. The second important law of constant proportion. According to this law, a pure chemical compound always contain the same element combined together in the same proportion by mass, irrespective of the fact from where the sample has been taken or from which procedure has it been produced. For example, hydrogen and oxygen combine in the ratio 1:8 by mass to form water. So, in all chemical reaction, the compounds will be formed by a ratio. Then the third important note, Dalton's atomic theory. There are so many points under this Dalton atomic theory. The first one, all matter is made up of very tiny particles called atoms. We know that there are different matters around us. Thus all matters is made up of very tiny particles called atoms. Atoms are invisible particles which can't be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. The atoms are invisible particles which can't be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. Atoms of an element have identical mass and chemical properties. An atom of an element have identical mass and chemical properties. The next point, atom of different elements have different mass and chemical properties. Then last point, atom combine in the ratio of small whole numbers to form compounds. The atom combine in the ratio of small whole number to form compound. This is about Dalton's atomic theory. The next one, atom. An atom is the smallest particle of an element which take part in chemical reaction such that during the chemical reaction the atom maintains its identity throughout the chemical or physical change. Atom is the smallest particle of an element which take part in the chemical reaction and it maintains the identity throughout the chemical or physical change. Then the next note, important note, molecule. A molecule is a group of two or more atoms which are chemically bonded with each other. That's about molecule. Then this is the very important box contain elements, very important elements, its symbols and atomic mass. Hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, magnesium, sulfur and chlorine. Then molecular mass. Molecular mass, it is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of that substance. How to find out molecular mass? Molecular mass of H2O, that is 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. So the molecular mass of H2O, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16 is equal to 18U. This is the example for how to find out molecular mass. Then mole concept. A group of 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particles. Particles will be atoms, molecules or ions of a substance is called mole of the substance. 1 mole of atom is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Then 1 mole of molecules is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Then very important, Avogadro number. The Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Then very important formula from this chapter, the number of how to find out the number of moles. It indicates by N, given mass by molar mass, m by small m by capital M. The number of moles and given number of particles by Avogadro number. This is very important formula from this chapter. So all students should write this note in your notebook.
So we discussed some important points from the chapter Atoms and Molecules. All should write the important points in your notebook. Thank you.